This is Komal here, and this is my first video actually on LinkedIn. So today I attended this awesome event, which is Kickstart social media. So as you can basically understand, the topic was social media marketing, and I have with me lovely Lucy Hall, who is the organizer of the event, and she did a brilliant job. And I would actually like to ask her how you actually organize it, how did the whole thing came about, and what else have you got planned for us in the future?
Okay, thanks for asking me the question. Well, this is the first Kickstart social media event we've done. Over the last couple of years, this is about the 8th event in 2 years now.
That's amazing.
And the first event we did 2 years ago was called Social Day. And what happened with Social Day is that it became an event actually for social media marketers and people who were already using social media. And they wanted to learn things about, for the campaigns for clients and that kind of thing. And so we had a gap for an event that was to help people who were beginners and they wanted to get started with social media and just do a little bit better, a little bit better than they expected, for small business owners and that type of thing. So along came Kickstart Social with NatWest and all of the other people that you kind of saw, and I feel like it's been a really good day.
And it's been a brilliant day, and we had all the amazing guests, amazing people who hosted all these presentations. I think we had Daniel Knowlton, and he did the topic that he did was storytelling on social media, which I think is very, very important. And the reason being that I think the thing that I would like to promote is because I think content is the main thing, and even if whether whatever social media platform you're using or whatever type of content you want to create, but everything starts and ends with kind of content. So if you have got quality content, and I think even in your workshop, the social media strategy, we talked about content and how you can create good quality content and work, how to basically optimize it and use it for social media platforms. So that's about it. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for having me on your first LinkedIn video. This is our first video.
Oh, yay!
So proud.
Oh, thank you. And you are the one who actually pushed me into it, because I think I've been watching your videos and I love them, and that's the reason I think I'm gonna start and do the video.
You're so good on you're so natural. So
really? Okay, thank you.